chapter motion in plane, relative velocity. The relative velocity between two objects, in motion in plane can be same, or we define in same way the relative velocity between two objects in straight line motion. In motion in plane and motion in straight line, the relative velocity between two objects is defined in similar way. Then the relative velocity of object A with respect to object B is defined as if Phi bar be the velocity of object A and Pb bar be the velocity of object B, then the relative velocity of object A with respect to object B is defined as Pab bar is equal to Pa bar minus Pb bar. This is the definition of relative velocity. Secondly, if the relative velocity of object B with respect to object A, then the relative velocity will be Pba bar is equal to Pb bar minus Pa bar. This is about the relative velocity of object 1 with respect to object 2. Now we study the next type of motion called projectile motion. Projectile motion हे तुम्हाला सर्वांना माहिती आहे. समजा आपण क्रिकेटमध्ये बॅट्समनने चेंडू मारला. सपोज दिस इज द ग्राउंड स्पेस अँड दिस इज द बाउंड्री लाईन. जर या ठिकाणावर जर बॅट्समनने चेंडू मारला आणि तो जर उंचावरून बाउंड्रीच्या बाहेर गेला तर आपण त्याला 6 म्हणतो. पण हा जो पाथ आहे, बॉलचा जाण्याचा मार्ग आहे, तो हवेमधून जातो. इट इज कॉल्ड फ्लाइट. किंवा आपण एखादा दगड घेतला, लहान मुलं दगड घेतात आणि झाडावरचा आंबा किंवा कैरी पाडतात, तर दगड जमिनीपासून उंचीवर जातो. उंचीवर जाताना परत खाली येतो. हा जो त्याचा पाथ आहे उंचीवर, त्याला फ्लाइट म्हणतात. आणि ही जी मोशन आहे त्या दगडाची, त्या चेंडूची, किंवा फुटबॉलला लात मारल्यानंतर फुटबॉलचा चेंडू उंचीवरून परत ग्राउंडवर येतो आणि हा तो पाथ कव्हर करतो एअरमधून. तो चेंडू एअरमधून जाऊन परत खाली येतो. तो जो पाथ आहे त्याला म्हणायचं प्रोजेक्टाईल. आणि जी मोशन आहे त्या दगडाची, त्या बॉलची, त्याला म्हणायचं प्रोजेक्टाईल मोशन. The definition of projectile motion is nothing but an object is flight. An object in flight after being thrown with some velocity is called projectile, and the motion of that object is called projectile motion. Now we discuss about the equation of equation of projectile motion. We define an object thrown in space or in air with some velocity is called projectile, and the motion of that object is called projectile motion. Now we consider, suppose this is x-axis and this is y-axis, and suppose this is the origin O. An object is thrown from point O. It projected and it covered the horizontal distance r, and at its, and this is the height or distance from, this is point P. OQ is the horizontal range. Then this object thrown in air in this direction, in upward direction, then this initial velocity, suppose object thrown in air, एखादा ऑब्जेक्ट हवेमध्ये आपण गेला, त्याची इनिशियल velocity, like initial velocity of object is say u bar. This is the u bar, initial velocity u bar, and make an angle theta, or its direction of initial velocity is given as angle theta. Now this initial velocity is resolved into two components. One is horizontal component and another is vertical component. This initial velocity u bar is separate into two directions. First is along x-axis. It is this u bar separate into two components. First, horizontal component along x-axis is u cos theta. It's u cos theta, and second component called vertical component along y-axis is called u sin theta. U sin theta. At point P there is ux. At this point Vy, ux. We consider an object thrown in air and is, तो एखादा ऑब्जेक्ट आपण समजा O या ठिकाणापासून वरती फेकला आणि तो परत Q या ठिकाणी जमिनीवर आला, तर त्याने OPQ हे अंतर कापलं हवेमधून. ज्यावेळेस ऑब्जेक्ट या ठिकाणी होता त्याची इनिशियल वेलोसिटी u आहे. ह्या u या वेलोसिटीने तो वरती चालला, परंतु या ठिकाणी त्याला दोन दिशा आहेत. एक हॉरिझॉन्टल डायरेक्शन आहे, एक व्हर्टिकल डायरेक्शन आहे. हॉरिझॉन्टल कंपोनंट u cos थीटा आहे आणि व्हर्टिकल कंपोनंट u sin थीटा आहे. जसं ऑब्जेक्ट वरती जाईल ॲट पॉइंट P, तर त्याची वेलोसिटी, व्हर्टिकल वेलोसिटी चेंज होईल. इट इज ऑब्झर्व्ड that vertical component changes, but horizontal component not change. Vertical component, that is u sin theta along y axis, this component is changes with respect to time, but horizontal component is not changed. What about the vertical component? Vertical component means uy is equal to u sin theta and ay is equal to minus g. Ay is the acceleration along y-axis. पार्टिकल वरती चाललाय म्हणजे तो ग्रॅव्हिटीच्या विरुद्ध दिशेने चाललाय म्हणजे ay is equal to minus g and another component horizontal component ux is equal to u cos theta and ax is equal to 0. That is acceleration along x axis is same or 0, but acceleration along y axis ay is equal to minus g. Now the displacement of particle at time t in along x axis and along y axis. This is about the vertical component, that means uy or ay it changes, but horizontal component ux and ax is not changes. Now we calculate the equation of projectile using second equation of motion or second kinematical equation of motion. We use second kinematical equation along y-axis. In previous lecture we calculate the first kinematical equation or second equation of motion along x-axis is x is equal to, along y-axis is sy is equal to. In this we use the equation of motion along y-axis is sy is equal to sy bar is equal to uy bar t plus 1/2 ay bar into t square. This is the second kinematical equation along y-axis direction. Before that, we calculate the displacement of particle. Displacement of particle say x in time t is along x-axis. The displacement of particle along x-axis is, suppose x in time t is given by u x is equal to x upon t, but value of ux is u cos theta is equal to x upon t, or this gives value of t is equal to x upon u cos theta. This is the time t is equal to x upon u cos theta. Now we consider second kinematical equation along y-axis, but we some change the displacement from its mean position. X is equal to 0, sy is equal to 1 because displacement along y-axis. Also ay is equal to minus g. Now we rearrange the term, we get y is equal to, instead of uy we can write u sin theta into t. Instead of ay we put minus g, therefore plus 1/2 minus g into t square. Therefore the equation of projectile motion y is equal to u sin theta into t minus 1/2 g t square. Y is equal to u sin theta into t, values of t is x upon u cos theta minus 1/2 g, values of t 1/2 g, values of t, x square divided by u square cos square. Therefore, y is equal to u cancel sine upon cos tan theta into x minus g x square divided by 2 u square cos square. Y is equal to tan theta into x minus gx square divided by 2 u square cos square theta, and this equation is called equation of projectile motion. And this equation of projectile is in this path of projectile in the form of parabola. Hence, this equation of projectile is very similar to equation of parabola, that is y is equal to ax plus bx square. This is the equation of parabola, and this is the equation of projectile. This equation of projectile is very similar to equation of parabola.